The humble lab mouse has provided invaluable clues to understanding diseases ranging from cancer to diabetes to COVID-19. But when it comes to psychiatric conditions, the lab mouse has been sidelined, its rodent mind considered too different from that of humans to provide much insight into mental illness. A new study, however, shows there are important links between human and mouse minds in how they function, and malfunction. Researchers at Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis devised a rigorous approach to study how hallucinations are produced in the brain, providing a promising entry point to the development of much-needed new therapies for schizophrenia. The study, published April 2 in the journal Science, lays out a way to probe the biological roots of a defining symptom of psychosis, hallucinations. The researchers trained people and mice to complete a computer-based task that induced them to hear imaginary sounds. By analyzing performance of the task, the researchers were able to objectively measure hallucination-like events in people and mice. This innovative approach allowed them to study the neural circuits underlying hallucinations, opening up mental symptoms to the kind of scientific studies that have been so fruitful for diseases of other parts of the body. It's so easy to accept the argument that psychosis is a fundamentally human thing and say, "Forget about mice," said senior author Adam Kepex, Ph.D., a professor of neuroscience and of psychiatry, and a BJC investigator at the School of Medicine. The prognosis for psychotic patients has not substantially improved over the past decades, and that's because we don't really understand the neurobiology of the disease. Animal models have driven advances in every other field of biomedicine. We're not going to make progress in treating psychiatric illnesses until we have a good way to model them in animals. Psychosis occurs when a person loses touch with reality. During a psychotic episode, people may acquire false beliefs, delusions, or confidently believe that they are seeing or hearing things that are not occurring, hallucinations. To study how hallucinations occur, Kepex, with first author Katerina Schmack, M.D., Ph.D., of Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory, and colleagues, set up a computer game that could be completed by both people and the researchers played a particular sound, and subjects indicated that they'd heard it by clicking a button, people, or poking their noses into a pore. The task was made challenging by obscuring the sound with background noise. People in the study rated how confident they felt that they'd accurately identified a real sound by moving a slider on a scale. Mice indicated their confidence by how long they waited for a reward. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.